Imagine a feud so savage, it lasted centuries. A blood feud that scarred the Scottish Highlands. This was the feud between Clan Cameron and Clan Chattan, a rivalry over land in Loch Aber and Glen Louis, Loch Arkaig. For more than 300 years, neither side spared the other. One of the first major clashes was the Battle of Invernahavon, dated to 1370 or 1386. Around 400 Camerons on a cattle raiding mission were ambushed by Chattan forces, and blood ran deep. Then came betrayals and night ambushes. The rivals often struck when least expected, and every generation added to the body count. By 1665, after centuries of raids, battles, and slaughter, the clans finally met at the fords of Arkaig. 24 men on each side crossed the water to face each other, and ended the feud with a handshake. This wasn't just another clan rivalry. It's been called the bloodiest feud in Highland history. 3 centuries of sorrow, war, and unending vengeance, feuds, betrayals. Battles stretching across generations, when clans turned on clans. The Highlands bled. This is their legacy. Want to see more brutal clan stories from Scotland's dark past? Like, subscribe, and comment what comes next.